Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Basics. In last class, we have covered Java basics. So today we are going to learn data type operators and variables. So first we will do some little bit of board work and then I will show few programs in the computer. So before we begin, so do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics. In the last class, I have discussed basics of Java. So if you have missed out, I will put that video in my end screen. Today I am going to discuss variables, data types and operators. Now, what is a variable? Variable is a named memory location which contains a value which can change. Named memory location, that means, see, you have to give a name. Just I have drawn A, and inside this box, suppose this is a memory location, inside named memory location A, and inside this memory location I have stored a value 6. Again, B is a named memory location where I have stored the value 9. So, see, this is an underline statement, value which can change. What it means is that you can either assign a value or during the runtime you can take the value and that value is processed. So, the value gets changed. Now, this variables are of two types, numeric type and non-numeric type. In numeric type further, it is divided into two categories, is integer type and floating type, and in non-numeric type it is character type and string type. Now, integer type, how we represent with the data type int, then give a variable name. Suppose I have taken P as the variable name and its data type is int. So, what is the data type of integer? It is data type is int, then your variable name, and as usual we put a semicolon. And this integer data type, when we will take integer data type? In integer data type, when we requires to store whole numbers. So, integer data type will store whole numbers. Floating type, data type is float, and Q I have taken the variable name. Now, this floating type or the float data type can store real numbers. Real numbers means your including decimals. So, decimal, whenever we will require to store decimal values, then we will choose the data type float. In float data type, we can store real numbers. Now, in the character type, we have to use data type as char. Char is the data type and I have taken variable ch. You can take any, this is the name of variable. Now, put a semicolon. This character data type stores one character. So, here you can store one character, that is the alphabets A, B, C or a special character you can store. So, char data type, we use a character to store this data type, and string type, data type is string, and the variable name nm I have taken. So, when we will use string data type? Whenever we are in need of storing more than one character, suppose a word, a sentence, so we will use string data type. Now, there are two more data types which you have to read. One is double and another is boolean. So, double, what is the significance? Now, double also stores real numbers, but its size is more than float. So, whenever you require to store larger decimal values, then we use double data type. And boolean data type stores true or false. So, these two I will show you in the program later. We will take the same file which we have created earlier, your hello file. So just right click and click on open editor, and then we have to import java.io.asterisk, import java.util.asterisk, then your class name, then public static void main, string args, of which S should be capital of string, then the opening curly brace. So I am taking a integer data type A, assigning it with the value A, 6. Then I am taking double data type B and assigning its value 9.36, suppose decimal value. I am taking char data type CH and assigning the value T. So you have to remember that when you are assigning value to a character data type, you have to put it under single quotes. Okay. Now string data type I am taking NM, and in order to assign value to it, you have to put it under double quotes. Suppose I am writing computer. So put it under double quotes. Okay. So just the simple difference for a character, because it's a single character, you have to put under single quotes, and string can store a word, sentence, that means multiple characters, you have to put it under double quotes. Now just print it. System.out.println. This is a output statement, as I have dealt with in earlier class. So I'll just print it. Whole number. Whole number is where we have stored the whole number in the variable A. So just, and now I'll just copy this thing so that it becomes much easier. Now this I have stored the decimal value. Decimal number is, then I have stored character in CH. So I'll write character is, and the last one I have stored the string value, string is. Okay. Now just the closing curly brace for your main and the matching closing brace for your class. So we will now run the program. Before that, we need to check whether it has some error or not. So click on class, save it, and then compile it. You see, no syntax error, so just close it, and give a right click, click on void main string args, see hello.main, and click on OK. See, it's printing whole number is 6, decimal number is 9.36, character is T, and string is computer. Okay, so this is a very simple program. Now just clear it and close it. We will see operators. Now, operators are symbols used to perform arithmetical or logical operations. So, what are operators? Operators are symbols which are used to perform arithmetical or logical operations. So, this is for multiplication, asterisk, addition, plus, minus, and this is for division, this is modulus, and these two are for logical operations which I will show you later on. To A and B are the variables and plus is the operator. So which will add the values of A and B. Similarly, C minus D, then A asterisk B will return the product of A and B. Then C, this is the division operator slash D, and A modulus B. So this is again an operator. I will show you just right now in the program. Okay, we will now do a simple program on operator. We will take the same file, hello, and we will suppose we will take two variables. Suppose this thing A, B and C. Okay, we can assign C as a 0, and now we will just write down like first C equals, we will use the plus operator and store the value in C. Then we will again take another variable and store the difference of A minus B. We will take another operator variable E, where we will be storing the multiplication value of A and B. We will take another variable where we will be storing the division of this thing, and a variable G where we will be finding out the mod of A. Clear? So here again I have to declare the variable E, F and G. You can assign 0 also with the assignment sign equal to. Why we do this is that in order to remove the garbage values. So I will just modify the earlier one only. I will just first is add addition. I have stored addition is where I have stored in the variable C. Okay, now I have stored the subtraction. Subtraction is where I have stored. I have stored it in the variable D. Then I have stored the multiplication in E. So make it E multiplication and your division I have stored in F. So division and the last one is I have stored the mod in G. So I will write mod is G, which is called the modulus. So I'll just compile it and check for errors. So click on class, save it and compile it. See, no error. So I'll just close it and click on your file and click on void main, click on OK. See, it's giving addition is 8, subtraction is 4, multiplication is 12, division is 3 and mod is 0, as modulus returns the remainder and division returns the quotient 0. So, click on option and click on clear. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have missed out my earlier classes, I'll put that thing in my end screen of this video. You can watch, and if you face any difficulty, do write in my comment box. I'll try to solve it out. And please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Basics, where you will get the solutions for maths as well as Java. Thank you.